Hey everyone, the scheduled service due alert is set to pop up during the last 200 kilometers of your service interval. So if you get your car serviced before that, the alert will still show once you enter those final 200 kilometers. Now let's see how to reset it. So we are going to press the OK button and then switch off and then switch it on while keeping the OK button pressed till the needles make one full complete cycle and then it comes back to 0. So let's press it, switch off, switch on, needles release. Let's see if it still comes on. So that's how you reset the service reminder on the Scorpio-N. So to recap, you press the OK button, switch it off, then switch it on while keeping the OK button pressed and wait for the needles to do their complete cycle. So the RPM needle goes to 7 and the moment it goes back to 0, you release the OK button. And then you have no alert history of service reminder.